we are privileged to have a MOA with General Council Association. So we have been looking forward for this for quite some time. Even I told you we were planning to have a General Council's meeting even before the pandemic. So as our university has different centers, almost 14 to 15 centers of excellence we have established. So we are looking for industry participation and knowledge and expertise from the industry. So we are so confident that this MOI will go a long way ahead, and we will have different areas to cooperate. For example, we already have a mediation center and arbitration center, and we as a university we are empaneled a recognized arbitration mediation center for High Court as well as Supreme Court of India, and we are entitled to recognize other institutional individuals as mediators. So we can, and especially in Mumbai, being the commercial capital of the country, we have a lot of scope for mediation and arbitration, and we have a center for research and arbitration also. We have conducted lot many programs. Arbitration and ADR as we have a subject of our curriculum, a part of our curriculum. Apart from that, we have a 2-year MA program in mediation and conflict resolution. So we have professional expertise and outlook as far as these two areas, arbitration and mediation concerned. And apart from that, we have different centers and chairs. One is IPR, other one is environmental law chair. We have criminal law center. We have center for IBC and financial laws. We have center for corporate laws. And recently we have established a center for air and space law. So in that center we are looking for better avenues and looking for big things in that center. We are also trying to partner with other organizations, professional organizations, government bodies to take this center ahead. So I hope this is only a beginning, and we can do great things with the expertise and support of General Council Association.
So, in 21st century, educational institutes like National Law University Mumbai cannot work in silos, and we have been looking forward to collaborate with general councils in isolation. We have worked with many corporates in the past, but there was always a need of an association which is a face of general councils, and we as National Law University feel that we can promote research together, we can conduct trainings, and we can bridge industry and academia gap. I hope this is going to be a very big success, and I'm really looking forward to the association of NLU Mumbai and General Council Association of India. So one of the tasks which we can carry out apart from the usual academic courses and the seminars, we can conceptualize a center dedicated to mediation and arbitration, wherein an educational institute will not just be an education provider but would also become a facilitator of dispute resolution mechanisms. And I believe that General Council Association and NLU can play a very vital role in this part. We know that there are many arbitral and mediation institutes like MCIA or Nani Palkiwala Arbitration, Delhi International Arbitration Center, but all of them have their own challenges. They are very costly. So I believe that having an arbitration and mediation center would help the learning of the students as well as it would facilitate the process also in a better way.
It's been a really humbling and happy moment to sign the MOU with National Law University Mumbai. It's a very important milestone for GCI. We started this journey only a couple of months back, and in about 4 months' time, I think 4 big national law universities who have been kind enough to. It was also equally humbling to be in the ceremony in the midst of very senior and very respected general counsels from Bombay, which only goes to demonstrate that our concept has in some manner and form endorsed by our senior colleagues from the Mumbai General Counsel fraternity. We've had very good discussions today with the Registrar of the National Law University, and they're pretty open about our participation in some form and manner on the mediation center and the arbitration center. How and what has to be done is a matter that we'll have to deliberate and discuss, but certainly a very positive move. It feels very heartening that what started as a nascent discussion is now taking shape into a real big movement, and I hope this movement will continue and we'll be able to fulfill the aspirations of General Counsel Association as we started a couple of months back.
You want to talk about mediation and arbitration?
We also had a fairly detailed conversation on mediation and arbitration with the registrar as well as his faculty colleagues who have been extraordinarily hospitable, and they were very keen hearing me, Akhil, Ashok Gupta ji, Mohit Shukla, Amber and Rakesh ji in terms of what the GCs can bring to the table, and this actually I think is a very positive step in the right direction to get more deep into developing this relationship with National Law University Mumbai in terms of transforming it into a good mediation arbitration where GCI plays a very active role and makes it a premier arbitration and mediation center in the days to come, because what better city than Mumbai where you can do this, and what better institution than National Law University in Mumbai.